Have you ever looked up from your phone, your TV, or your social media feed, and suddenly realized that hours have slipped away almost without you noticing? It feels like time vanishes into thin air. You tell yourself, just one more scroll, just one more episode. And before you know it, it's midnight, your eyes burn, and your heart feels heavy. You're not alone. So many of us have quietly slipped into a life where screens dictate our attention, our moods, even our sense of self-worth. But deep down, there's a voice, whispering that you want something more peace, more real connection, more of your own life back. Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today, we're going to talk about how to break free from mobile, TV, and social media addiction, not with judgment, not with shame, but with compassion and with hope. I have divided the video into 4 parts. Let's start the video. Because the truth is, you can return to a normal life, a life where you are in control. Part 1. The reality of screen addiction. Let's face it, these devices were designed to hook us. Apps are built to trigger dopamine hits, keeping us scrolling. TV shows are written with cliffhangers that make it impossible to stop. Social media feeds are infinite. There's no natural end. And the cost. We sacrifice sleep. We miss real conversations. We forget what silence feels like. Some of us even forget who we are without a glowing screen in front of us. But here's something important. Addiction isn't a sign of weakness. It's a sign of being human in a world where billion-dollar industries fight for your attention every single day. So if you're struggling, don't beat yourself up. Instead, see this as a chance to take your power back. Part 2. The first steps to freedom. Breaking free doesn't happen overnight, but it starts with awareness. Step 1. Notice your patterns. Keep a small journal. Write down when you pick up your phone, how long you stay, and how you feel afterward. You'll start to see triggers, maybe boredom, maybe stress, maybe loneliness. Step 2. Set small boundaries. Don't aim for perfection. Start with tiny rules, like no phone during meals, or no screens 30 minutes before bed. Small victories build confidence. Step 3. Replace. Don't just remove. If you cut out screens but leave a void, you'll go right back. Instead, fill that space with something real. Reading a book, walking outside, journaling, cooking, even just sitting quietly with your thoughts. Step 4. Reconnect with people. When was the last time you had a long, screen-free talk with someone you love? Call an old friend, visit a neighbor, have coffee with no phone in sight. Human connection heals what screens numb. Part 3. Rediscovering normal life. So, what does normal life even look like after breaking free? It's the joy of waking up without instantly grabbing your phone. It's tasting your breakfast instead of scrolling while you eat. It's going on a walk and noticing the sound of the wind, the color of the sky, the rhythm of your breath. It's remembering that you are more than likes, comments, or trending videos. You are flesh and blood. You are a heartbeat. You are someone who can laugh, cry, and feel alive in the real world, not just the digital one. Turning to normal life doesn't mean abandoning technology completely. It means using it intentionally, without letting it use you. Part 4. A hopeful path forward. Here's the truth. This journey isn't about quitting screens forever. It's about balance, about learning to live in a digital age without losing your soul to it. And yes, there will be slip-ups. You'll fall back into old habits sometimes. That's okay. What matters is that you keep coming back to yourself. So if you're watching this right now and you feel stuck, please know this. Freedom is possible. You can reclaim your time. You can rebuild your focus. You can rediscover joy in simple, everyday moments. Take it one step at a time. Start small and be gentle with yourself. Because the best version of your life isn't inside a screen, it's right in front of you, waiting. If this video touched you, take a deep breath right now. Feel it. That's real life. That's where healing begins. And if you're ready, let's walk this path together toward balance, peace, and freedom. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it. It really supports the channel. Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. And if you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next.